Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue. Under the hood is an inline 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one comes with 18-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. We've got a Sahara beige MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fresh set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside here, this one does come with their Premium 1 package, which comes with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls. It also has smartphone integration for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start this vehicle up. We've got a rear view backup camera, burl walnut trim, hard keys, heated seats, dual climate zone, cup holders. This vehicle has 44,752 miles, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA, check out feldmanimports.com.